Shazia, respond to what Ghanshyam Tiwari has said.
So, I mean, if you listen to all that Ghanshyam, my dear friend, has to say, if you talk about something which is very micro, he makes it macro. If you make it macro, he makes it macro, because there is just no answer. So whether it's about jobs, because now we all know that UP actually is the second biggest economy in terms of all the states, and in terms of jobs, there are 5 lakh jobs. In terms of just highways and roadways, the kind of work that has been done in 5 years, it beats that work done by the last 15 years. And that also, the work done in 15 years was on 1/3 done by the BJP government. So 5 lakh jobs is what has been provided. Is the second biggest arthvivastha or the economy of all the states in India right now, all thanks to Yogi ji and his perseverance and the double engine economy. Now, if there is so much revulsion and hatred for why Modi ji is campaigning, I mean, what is wrong with that? If he's leader of the party and is followed by the world leaders, he also leads the party, and it is the biggest party in the world also. So if he's there and he makes time instead of taking holidays and partying and doing everything else for the world, for the country, for the states, for the people, for the individual, I think it's a great thing. We should learn from it. And
one second, Ghanshyam Tiwari's objection is that the Prime Minister is campaigning in Uttar Pradesh? Because you're going to see a lot more of it. Ghanshyam Tiwari, I mean, it's the reality. I remember a few years ago, this argument used to be made that why is the Prime Minister campaigning for the BJP in every state? He's the Prime Minister now. It's almost like saying that play without Virat Kohli because he's too good.
Look at what we are normalizing. The taxpayers paid for this, not BJP.
So your problem is the advertisements.
The podium on which the Prime Minister stood and made a political speech was a podium of Government of India. The taxpayer, you and I pay. We don't pay for campaigns of BJP. The people who were brought in these sabhas, where chairs are still empty, were brought on UP Parivahan Nigam buses. As in Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, they spent 80% budget in advertising. This is a government that will advertise that India has become a developed country, while 97% of our countrymen have become poorer because of their policies. They will advertise that Uttar Pradesh mein sabki aay doguni ho gayi hai. Per capita income is doubled when inequality is an all-time high. They will advertise Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas when anyone who diverges from the BJP's ideology of hate is going to be put in jail or is going to be terrorized. They will advertise that we want the society to live in harmony, but they will present the agenda of love jihad.
You will be. I mean, whichever religion you come from.
The point is that taxpayers cannot pay. Taxpayers
and if you
cannot
see the NCRB Bureau records, you will realize that really whether it's dacoity or loot or arson or crime against women, there has been a huge fall in crime. There's a huge decline. And if you look at who all have been, subjected to the jail services, they come from all religions. So if you're a gunda or a gangster or part of land mafia or sand mafia, I'm sorry, Yogi will not spare you. So I know your heart bleeds for all the gangsters and mafia and all the murderers of UP who held it to ransom. But I'm sorry, mine does not.
Okay, one second. Can I just bring us back to the issue of development?
No, this is part of development.
No, sure.
I'm sorry. Bringing down crime is part of development.
Sure, but I'm talking about projects specifically.
People will only look at a state for development if it's safe.
No, absolutely, but I'm talking about delivery of projects specifically. And on that note, we are seeing a trend, Ghanshyam Tiwari, that, every time the BJP government inaugurates something, and few were inaugurated last week and earlier this week and last week as well, there is this clamor that is erupting, whether it's Jewar Airport or Purvanchal Expressway, ki ye to humne shuru kiya tha. So that is the...
And Purvanchal Airport is, it's such a joke because even the land was not acquired.
Okay, but can I finish my question? That is the question that I'm raising, that every time the Samajwadi Party, possibly to cut to the BJP's campaign, does this, it comes across as petty. Because ultimately people look at delivery. Don't you believe that?
Well, the Prime Minister inaugurated medical colleges that are not finished. No one, not a single person can go to that medical college.
You were not even
Prime
thinking
Minister,
of medical colleges.
please do not interrupt, Shazia ji. You're senior. I cannot be heckled like this.
Arey, no,
You
that's
to
not
speak
about
in their time.
seniority. You have
No,
given,
please.
been
You
giving
cannot
long
heckle in a.
speeches
I have been
full of
giving
rhetoric
you.
and hatred.
I have given
without any
giving you
substantiation.
respect.
Okay,
letting
let's
you
go
speak,
one by
but
one.
please-
Final 2 minutes left.
please
Yes,
allow me
Ghanshyam.
to. Well, the Prime Minister inaugurated an airport that no one can fly from. It has been in process for a while. What is the Prime Minister doing? He is using the taxpayers' money.
No, that
going out and
airport was
making
not
political
inaugurated.
speeches.
The airport was not inaugurated. Ghanshyam,
They
what
will-
are you saying?
आप बताइए क्या हुआ था वहाँ पे?
Ghanshyam,
आप ये बताइए कि can you
I
take a
don't
flight
know
from
what
there?
happened
No,
to
but
the
it was a
airport.
foundation
I feel
stone
bad
laying
for you.
ceremony. That's different from an
airport-
inauguration.
Airport
वही
that
तो
has
वो
been
कह
at
रहे हैं
work
कि
for-
फीता काटना अलग चीज होती है, प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवर
अच्छा, ये
करना
क्या
अलग
होता है?
चीज होती है.
A project that was created by Rajnath Singh ji 20 years back, उसका शिलान्यास आज हो रहा है और राजनाथ सिंह उस समय सीतापुर में बूथ सभा कर रहे हैं. This is a joke that they are running on the country, that Prime Minister
But
can
the
advertise
question I'm
anything
asking you
and
that the
unfinished project.
Samajwadi Party says that ये तो हमने शुरू किया था.
वेल पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेस वे किसने शुरू किया था? उत्तर प्रदेश में ऐसा कौन सा
किसने
काम है
शुरू
जो
किया
उन्होंने
था
शुरू किया?
पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेस में? किसने कहा
जिसने
था
शुरू
और
किया,
क्या किया
जिसने
था?
शुरू किया,
Wait,
जिसने शुरू किया
Ghanshyam,
भारतीय
please, no. I
भारतीय
think-
जनता
I
पार्टी
think
ने
it's very
भारतीय
unfair
जनता पार्टी
that
ने जैसे अभी
Ghanshyam is
शाजिया जी ने
going
कहा
on round
कि
and round
5
in
लाख
circles
नौकरियां दी इन्होंने.
without any
इन्होंने अपने
clear
घोषणा
answer
पत्र में कहा है 70 लाख
whatsoever. Do you know
रोजगार.
what a
कोई ऐसा
one by
काम
one,
ऐसा
one
है-
by
There's a
one.
detail.
No,
No,
Ghanshyam, I
don't-
gave you
don't-
opportunity to
Keep
talk
speaking
about
ad
development
nauseam
projects,
and all
inauguration and
bunkum.
delivery solely.
And
You
that-
keep going back to the
because
questions
when
of
you
job.
say you
We
start
cannot
a
discuss
project,
everything
what does
about
it
the
mean?
economy and
there a
development
single
all
project-
in
is
one
there a
go. Now
single
you have
project-
to stick to the subject. But I have to
Is
give
there a
final
single
30 seconds
project
to
that
Shazia
BJP
now. I've run out of time.
Is there a
Shazia.
single
You know,
project
I
that
don't get
BJP
it. I
inaugurated
just
and
don't get
completed?
it. You know,
Single
you're all
project
over
they
the place,
inaugurated and
Ghanshyam, my
completed.
dear friend.
Shazia,
You're
30
so
seconds.
clearly losing the plot. I tell you what it means. When you say delivery in time, when you say that every house there will be electrification and this will be the target, you will ensure that this will happen. When you say Awas Yojana will reach people who do not have low-cost housing or a house of their own, you have a goal and you ensure that it reaches. Similarly, when you say that we have to provide this to the people, Purvanchal Expressway, and now Akhilesh Yadav talks about it. There was no land acquisition. There was no detailed
That
project
is
report.
factually wrong.
You talked about
Factually
the tender.
wrong.
But
Factually
everybody
wrong.
knows that
40% land was
Expressway,
acquired.
you have to make sure that the land is acquired.
Factually
people
wrong.
are given
The land was
compensation.
acquired.
40%
No,
you
it was
said.
not. It was not.
40% you
The
said.
papers were incomplete.
2018,
The papers,
2018,
I have
the
all
Prime
the
Minister,
details of it. I can give you, I can rattle off figures. which will really
2018 Prime
embarrass
Minister
you.
does Shilanyas
So
of
just
Purvanchal
announcements
Expressway, where by then
will not
40%
work.
land was already
And if Akhilesh is
acquired.
so sure
They are
about
running a
what he's
joke because
done,
they can go
why
about
would he have
advertising
to
anything. They
invoke
can advertise that
the
they are
Jinn of
sending man
Jinnah?
on moon.
Well, any
when they will
government
not
that
be able to
finishes
make
a project
simple road
in
front
its
of your
tenure
house.
does a show about it. Your government also did it. The BJP is also doing it. But I've run out of time. Let the public decide if the delivery has been what the public expected, and whether the elections should be won or lost on that or not. I do thank both of you for joining us.